first approached Chess Plastics in 2012. I'd completed the design for the brick garden, I'd had the tooling manufactured in China, and I was looking for an injection moulding company that would be able to handle an 8-ton tool that was soon going to be arriving. I chose Chess Plastics because after meeting with Glenn, I was very impressed with the way he was happy to take on a new and untested product with what was essentially a start-up company.
We produce a lightweight working platform for the construction industry. Chess Plastics helped us design the platform.
It took us all the way through the design from start to finish. Spoke to Glenn, very helpful. We came and met him. We went through some things what we wanted to do. Yeah, been really helpful, really good.
We wanted a company that had been operating for a while and was consistently good quality and reliable and did everything that you wanted them to do.
Working with Chess Plastics has been great. The first production tool that came over from China had quite a few issues when it arrived, and they gave advice on design changes, and as a result we ended up with a production tool that could actually manufacture the brick guard at a viable rate.
Chess Plastics are actually just like our own factory. They do everything we need them to do. They are very forward thinking, they know exactly where they're going, they know what their future is, they know what their best products are, and they know the best ways to work. We've actually been working with them 10 years now.
We felt perhaps a little bit out of our depth, and as soon as we came to see them, that wasn't the case.
We couldn't guarantee any order sizes. At the time it was a very new thing for us, we didn't know how it would go.
Originally we'd put in perhaps an order of a 500 metre run. We can put in orders of 6,000 metre runs now. So, you know, it's grown and is still growing.
He gave me a lot of confidence that he'd be the right company for me. It was a relaxed atmosphere and they made you feel welcome.
Chess Plastics were brilliant to work with, absolutely brilliant. Helped us from the very beginning to the very end.
So I'd be very happy to recommend Chess Plastics to anybody. We have no reservations. They have always dealt very well with us and we've never had any major issues.
They're a great company. As you grow, they grow with you. They always keep up with production. They've been fantastic to work with.